Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Nizal Tuladar and I'm here with a little bit of different material for today. Well, basically, by profession, I'm a chef, and at the moment, I'm a chef instructor. Most of the times, not only with my profession, but with many of the professions where it requires a lot of physical work, you tend to impact various parts of your body, by which it gradually develops into pain. I've been having some issues with my back, a bit of issues with my knee because my work demands long working hours. That is why I came here to adjust my back. Life Wellness Chiropractic Center is the place where I'm heading to. The name of the place is called Sentam Jungangro and it's near Sentam City. My first adjustment was a little bit scary, but then I'm used to it. Whenever I get some free time, I like to treat myself with some chiropractic adjustment, and that is worth it.
Then we start with like a leg check, because somebody has like short leg, which indicates the misalignment of the pelvis. So in your case, your right side, it's slightly off. I'm not sure if it's showing in the video, but right now your right side is about inch short. It's pretty short. So which means up to the hip level. Your right side is supposedly higher.
Okay.
So we're gonna correct that. Okay.
Okay.
So how we correct that is using the SOT block, which is sacro-occipital technique. So just set it up on the specific angle on your pelvis. Just lift from the right side. Press it down and do the other side up. And let go. Just by doing this, we just shift your pelvis. Right now, your leg length now it's even.
Okay.
So we just let it rest a few minutes by just a few minutes, and during the time we're gonna set up a hip peg on your lower back and mid back area, because this is the area where we're going to adjust. So just the hip peg makes musculature like relaxed.
Okay.
So I will let you rest a few minutes, for about 5 minutes, okay?
Sure.
And we'll come back and let you adjust it, okay? Feeling okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's get you started. Before I adjust you, we're going to do some prep work.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Before I adjust you, I'm going to do some prep work, which is going to just loosen your muscles a little bit looser.
Oh. So is that compulsory to loosen up the muscle before you adjust it?
Well, I think it just makes things easier. You know, some people just too much tight muscles, then that doesn't allow me to adjust properly. So,
Oh, I see.
so also since at the same time, I'm just trying to feel your musculature by just doing palpation. So right here, you may feel it. You know, it
Yeah.
feels a little different, isn't it?
Yes.
On the right side. So when I press down, your body supposedly, bounce up really nice and easy. But somewhere it's stuck, which means that's the area where it needs to be adjusted.
I see.
Especially your mid back area here. You may feel you just stuck, right?
Yes.
So there's a little bit of muscular cards in there. A little bit tight.
that feels good.
Good. If you're pressing down.
Yep. Is it crack time?
Yes.
Okay.
It should just. So when I'm adjusting, I'm just checking the most turning on the right side. Because the right side is a little bit higher compared to the left side, which means it's creating some curve to the right side. That's why you're pulling. That's why this side musculature is a little bit thicker and higher. And right side is tighter too.
Okay.
Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Take the next.
Oh!
Yeah,
Oh,
right.
that was painful.
Was it a little painful?
Yeah.
Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. All the way. Take it very easy.
Oh!
You okay?
Yeah.
It was much stuck.
Yeah. The second one was a little bit better at least.
Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Slowly. Let's go. Go.
Oh!
One more time. Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. We have like a extra tightness today.
Yeah.
Go on your side and facing this way.
Which way?
This way.
Okay.
So try to relax yourself, okay?
Yes.
Yeah,
Just a moment though.
Okay.
Put this otherwise.
Good. Right hands. Hook yourself like this. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Now.
Oh! Oh, that was painful.
On your side and face me this way.
Oh.
Lift this one up. Right hands. Take a deep breath in. Hold the legs.
Oh, that was double crack. Oh.
Yes, scoot down a little bit.
Okay.
It feels a little painful at the beginning, but as time goes by, it's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
So right now, your arm length is a little short on the left side.
Okay.
Let's sit down. Okay, go take a deep breath in. Out. Legs. Okay.
Oh.
One more time, we take a deep breath in. Now, legs. Yeah.
Oh, that cracked.
One more time, we take a deep breath in. Now, clench your teeth. Go.
Oh. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm especially afraid when it comes to the neck portion.
So bend your knees. Now hug yourself, hold nice and tight.
Okay.
Nice and tight, and lift your body up. Now sit back down, go ahead and take a deep breath in. And out.
Oh, wow, that was lovely. Oh.
Let's your legs down. Since you are recording, seems like you have extra tightness on your body.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just like this. Next. I just place my right hand underneath your knee. Just, this is going to be just opening up your knee joint. Some tensions off from the area.
I see.
This is just opens up your hip joint.
Okay.
And doing this, just stretching your lower muscles.
Ah.
Alright?
Yeah.
People expect a lot of cracking when they get adjusted, but that's not important on an adjustment. That's just really job of gas inside of your body. And some people build up well, some people not, but that doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
Right hand. Go ahead, push your arm against. Okay, go ahead, push your shoulder forward. Good. Go ahead, push it against. Good. Go next.
Oh, nice pop.
That's the other side. Okay, go ahead, push it against. Okay, good. Push your shoulder forward.
Oh.
Hurts a little bit, huh?
Yeah, that's...
Good, push it against. Good.
That is not my knee cracking.
Put your head up. Let's sit back down. This is how we correct the
Spine
straight neck.
Straight neck.
This will allow to, create some curve on your neck. Helps ease your neck and shoulder muscles.
Okay.
Once it eats, then you're not gonna have any headaches, dizziness, or neck pain, or tingling your arms.
I see.
So, since your mid back is kind of a little bit tight, which means kind of connected to your neck. So by just working on your neck by doing this, it's a long-term process though. After a few months of doing this, helps a lot of easiness on your neck. Well, I'll let you rest a few minutes.
Sure, doc.
I'll be right back.
Sure.
Anything okay?
Yeah.
Even when you're doing it at home by yourself,
Okay.
it's necessary if you feel pain.
Whenever you feel pain, just stop.
Yeah, it's very sticky. That's why when you
Yeah.
take that off, just take
Especially because of my body hair, maybe it's
take your
a
time.
little bit more painful.
Okay, let's let it dry a couple minutes.
Sure.
So this tape will work as a extra muscle. So during the time when you're using it,
Okay.
your muscles get relaxed.
Because of that stretchiness.
Yes,
Okay.
that will protect your musculature. So you have some time to heal rather than just jamming
I see.
on your knees.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, sit up and face this side.
Yep.
Sit up straight, look straight. Look down a little bit. And now I'm doing a minor facial release on your neck.
Okay. That's the one with steel?
Yeah, once your neck muscles and shoulder muscles gets tight, it actually thicken itself. So we're just using the external force to make things like stretch it out. Just doing this way.
Ow.
Hurts, huh?
Yeah, I can feel the tissues.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do too much though, okay?
Yeah.
will get red, but don't worry about it. It's going
Okay.
to disappear in a couple days, okay?
Okay. Can you show that tool out here one time? What is it?
It's like a knife.
It's like a knife, but without any without any sharpness to it.
Okay, now you're all set.
All set?
Yeah. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, feeling more relaxed.
When you get a chest, you have a lot. Sounds like you have a lot of pain, but it
Yeah,
wasn't.
but after it feels a lot better.
Good. Alright,
Thank you so much, Doctor.
okay, we'll see you next time, okay?
Yep,
Yeah,
thank you.
wrap up.
Sure. Well, that was my adjustment done. So I'll see you later.